Hi guys! To make a payment, you need to pay directly on the software. Auto payment system will automatically activate your account. If your plan is custom and not available on the system, please contact Hidemyacc support team to get instructed. Your account will get the pay notifications 7 days before the expiration date. You can click directly on Pay Now, or go to the billing section to make payment. The first screen will display information as follows. The amount you need to pay. This includes the price of your plan plus the price of the sub-accounts you created in the Team Members section. For more details about the Team Members feature, refer to the link in the description. Payment due date or expiration date of the current plan. The type of plan you are using, for example, in this account, the team plan, and the subscription period, monthly or annually. You can upgrade to another plan and choose the appropriate period of subscription by clicking Upgrade Plan. As for details of the amount to be paid, you can look at the Billing Details section. Your plan, for example, this account is a monthly team plan, the current expiration date, the new expected expiration date after payment, the monthly team plan price is $99. This team plan has 3 need-to-be-paid sub-accounts along with it, with the same expiration day. Sub-accounts that are currently locked will not be displayed here. Sub-plan price is equal to share plan price. A monthly plan will be $5 per month. You can delete without renewing any sub-account that is no longer needed by clicking on the trash icon corresponding to the account. That sub-account can still be used until the end of the current active plan. After expiration, that account will be locked. You can unlock to renew that account in the Team Members section. After checking, if you are sure that you want to continue paying according to the current billing, you can choose the appropriate form of payment. If there are enough coins in your Hidemyacc wallet, you can choose the coin payment method. This is the fastest method. If you do not have enough coins, you can top up your account, or choose another payment method by clicking on one of the methods below, then select the Make a Payment button. For more details about the coin system, refer to the coin video linked in the description. For other payment methods, you can choose the appropriate payment method and confirm the bill again. If you have a promo code, you can fill it out here and then select Apply. Once done, select Proceed Payment. The system will then provide instructions on how to activate your account based on the payment method that you have selected. You should keep in mind that it is necessary to follow all the payment steps. If you choose to pay by bank transfer, you can scan the QR code here, or fill in the payment information next to it, and then proceed with the transfer. After successfully making the payment, you can move to the next step. Click Activate My Account to activate your account. After about 1 minute, your account will automatically be activated. If your account is not activated in more than 5 minutes, please contact our support team for assistance. Similar to other methods of payment, you need to follow the instructions sequentially. If you make payment by Visa/MasterCard, then you don't need to click Activate Your Account. Other methods will require you to click on this button to set up an automatic account activation command. If you do not complete this last step, your account will not be automatically activated. In case you want to upgrade to another plan or another period of subscription, monthly or annually, click Upgrade Plan. Select the appropriate subscription period, and then select the plan you want to upgrade. If you want to upgrade to a higher plan than the current one, you will receive a free sub-account if available. For example, here your current plan is the team plan, and you have 3 paid sub-accounts. When you upgrade to the business plan, you get 2 more free sub-accounts. So on this screen, you can choose 2 paid sub-accounts to convert into free sub-accounts. It also means you will not need to pay for these 2 accounts anymore. Click Continue to the next step, or skip if you don't want to convert any of the existing paid sub-accounts into free sub-accounts. If you have selected free sub-accounts but still have other paid sub-accounts, you can renew the paid ones by selecting the accounts you wish to renew and clicking Continue. Alternatively, you can choose to skip the renewal process by clicking Skip. Finally, the payment screen will show the bill according to your previous choice. If you agree to pay, select the appropriate payment method, then press Proceed Payment and follow the payment instructions. To check your payment history, go to Payment History. Here, you can view information about all the invoices that have been generated, including the invoice code, issue date, amount and status of incoming or outgoing money, and payment method. Click Detail to check the details of the invoice. Thus, Hidemyacc has instructed you on how to make the payment on the software. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team via Telegram, Facebook, Skype, or WhatsApp to get support as soon as possible. Thank you and good luck.